In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pocket Broker account. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is install the Pocket Broker app. And then when you open it for the first time here, you'll be able to select the language up top. So I'm just going to stick with English over here, but they do have a lot of different languages as well. And then at the bottom, there's a big registration button. So you want to tap on registration. And then to create the account, you have three options. The first one is going to be to type in the email you want to use, the password you want to use, and then the promo code in case you've got it from someone. And then you have to read the public offer agreement and accept it as well. And then when you do all of these things over here, you can tap on registration and you'll instantly be able to access your account. That's the first way to do it. But the second one is going to be signing up with Facebook, and the third one with Google. So completely up to you. I'm just going to tap on Google down here at the bottom, and it's going to ask you which Google account you want to use. You want to pick the one you want on your device. So I'm going to just tap on this account which I use over here, and as you can see, it's going to automatically sign me up for Pocket Broker. And as you can see, my account is now getting set up. It's still loading, and there we go. This is it over here. I do have my account ready, and as you can see, it's going to give you like a bunch of different offers, stuff like that. And then at the very top, you can go and switch your accounts between real and demo, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.